Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how host can hide participant profile picture in Zoom meeting application. Yes, Zoom is providing different kind of options to create online classes and webinars. Using that, we would like to ask the participant to switch off their camera. So once they switch off their camera, the profile picture will be displayed in the Zoom meeting application. If the profile picture is professional, means not a problem. If the profile picture has some other problem or something, they have given the different kind of profile picture, we may get annoyed with that. So we need to hide that profile picture, only show their image or name. So the Zoom is providing to hide the participant profile picture. To avoid having unwanted profile picture, the host can disable the option from Zoom application. Yes, let's see how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the useful videos and the notification. Yes, in your mobile, just go to applications, select Zoom application. Yeah, so I have selected Zoom application. So now I would like to create a new meeting. I just create a new meeting, start my meeting. Yes, once I click the start meeting, I can check my camera and working properly, and I can able to create a meeting. Yes, now meeting is created. I have created the meeting. I am waiting for participant to join the meeting. Yeah, the participant have joined. Yes, the participant have joined their meeting, so they have switched on their camera. So I request them to switch off the camera. I request them, they switch off. Once they switched off, the means their profile picture will be displayed there. Yes, as you see, their profile picture is displaying there. So now I would like to hide the profile picture. Those participants, they want to show their face or different kind of unwanted images if they kept in their profile picture, means I would like to disable this option so that they won't show their profile picture, only their name should be there. Yes, let's see how to do that. Before that, just end the meeting first. Yeah, so I have ended the meeting. Just to close the Zoom application. Yes, just click Chrome browser and search for zoom.us. Yes, so once I click zoom.us, it will direct you to the Zoom application, Zoom official website. Yes, here you will find a different kind of option. In your right hand side corner, click the three dots. You will find a sign in option. Just click the sign in option. It will direct you to your email address and password. Just click sign in with Google. Just click that and select the account. Yes, so I have logged in with that my account. So now you can able to see the meetings. Yes, there are meetings is here, so you can able to get all the informations. Yes, so just click setting. The meeting webinar recording is there. Just click the setting option. Automatically it will direct you to the setting option. Just search for profile. So if you couldn't find the profile, mean just click the three dots in the right hand side corner, find in page. Just select find in page and type profile. Yes, so profile is came. Hide participant profile picture in the meeting is in off. Just enable this option. That's it. Your setting has been updated. On the top it will show you. If it is disabled, means you need to enable this option so that the participant, all participant profile picture will be hidden. Only the name of the participant will be displayed on the video screen. It is there. Yeah, so now I have given this option, profile picture I have given this option. Now I would like to create a meeting. So Zoom, new meeting, start a new meeting. So I have started my meeting. Yes, one participant is joining. Just click admit. Yeah. Yes, I have admitted the participant. So the name is here. So the participant video is there. I request them to switch off their video. Once they switch off their video, there is no profile picture will be displayed there. So that is a major important thing. So before that I showed you the profile picture will be displayed there. Once they switch off their camera, I request them to switch off their camera, means only their name will be displayed here, and there is no profile picture will be displayed over there. So this is an easy option. You can avoid unwanted pictures to be shown in the webinar or seminar while you are conducting online classes or any other things. Thanks for watching. Have a great and good day.